All right, here we go. The second box of the case. The other half. Flawless Collegiate Football 2017. I'll say it again. Confidence pools. Everyone who's in this break should be able to go to your My Account area and make your picks for this weekend's Sunday and Monday games. See who's the best at picking games and who's most sure about who's going to win with their confidence things. I need a better spiel for the confidence pool. There's your numbers. And I got those 17 kickoff packs for anybody who doesn't get anything. UCF. Ah, just a boring plain one.
Matt Lorenzo's not real happy.
I know.
Did you see that?
Yeah, and I just replied that he's the worst.
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah.
I just saw this comment.
Yeah, Harp, you killed it with the Jazz. Okay. If you guys never saw, I wonder if the video is still somewhere. Did you guys all see the very first Flawless like promo video that Panini made with Tracy like arriving at an airport with the case in the back of the trunk and all that? It's pretty hilarious. You should watch it if you've never seen it. They tried to make a big deal out of it. Let me cover that up. Okay. That's pretty funny. All right, here we go. Could be any school now. Every card could be a different school. How exciting. That'll all be Miami again. We start with University of Miami's Travis Benjamin. Didn't make the Miami briefcase. Tim, 4 spot. And then hook 'em. Major Applewhite. Team slogan 4 of 10. Oh, same number. 4 of 10. Come on, we need different numbers.
He's like...
He never even played pro, right?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
He's coaching now, though, right?
I don't know. Oh, here's a dual auto. Virginia Tech, Isaiah Ford and Jared Evans, 24 of 25. Pete, sir, underdog 24 spot. No one then. And then dual on-card auto. Next, Dory Jackson, 13 of 25. USC. Tim.
Yeah, Major Applewhite's the head coach at Houston now.
Wow.
University of Houston.
Under that, Mike Williams, Clemson, 1 spot, 1 of 15, rookie patch auto. Sapphire. Majorly awful. So it's just Tim. Just every single card. Tim's personal box. Another Clemson. 3 of 15, Wayne Gallman. A little smudge. There's some smudgy problems. Yeah. Will German on the board. Ah, Sparty on team slogan Kirk Cousins. Another 1 spot.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I like that. It's great, like the hook 'em and
Yeah. Sparty on.
Sparty on.
Last card already? Ron Dane. Wisconsin. 8 of 20. It's not Snowflake.
He's still the NCAA's all-time leading rusher, isn't
Really? Ron Dane. There's a little... The bottom has a little bit of a nick on it. Snowflake. It's not Snowflake. Can you see it? It's like right there. We didn't damage it, I promise. Okay. Omni Trivia. Yeah, he has some good trivia tidbits. 3 of 15, Cardale Jones. Ruby. Little German. It's basically 3 people are getting cards in this one. Awesome. 1 of 20, Barry Sanders, I mean. Man, just getting no variety on the numbers. All right, the middle last card. It's this way. Oh my gosh. 12 spot glory. It's not Snowflake. Patrick Mahomes, Sapphire rookie patch auto. That thing's awesome.
Yeah, that one's nice.
The old 12 spot glory. It's like, it's not really an underdog, it's like a middle dog. That card rules. It's not Snowflake. It's not Snowflake.